while since I posted a video, right? Well, I've been super busy, and I wanted to tell you why. I was thinking, why do us kids always have to watch cartoons and rhymes all the time? Don't get me wrong, they're fun. But I thought, why not learn something new and super cool instead? So, guess what? I've been learning how to make some really awesome stuff. And here's the best part, I'm going to teach you how to do it too. Have you ever seen a website and thought, whoa, how do people even make this? Like, who decides where all those buttons go, how they look, or how you can click on things? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. In my next videos, I'll teach you how to make your own websites. Imagine creating a website all by yourself, something cool that's totally yours. You can design it, add fun stuff, and show it off to your friends and family. Doesn't that sound amazing? So stay tuned, grab your curiosity, and let's get started on this super fun journey together. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's learn and have fun together. See you soon!